Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gastronomic Delights by LBN. Today we'll make eggless red wine fruit cake. So before starting with the recipe, we need to soak fruits and nuts in red wine for minimum of 1 day. Over here I have soaked the dry fruits in wine for 3 days. So minimum of 1 day is essentially required to soak the nuts in the alcohol. Take a bowl of wine and add all the dry fruits like almonds, cashews, cranberries, apricots. You can add raisins or whatever other dry fruit that you want, and just soak them into the wine completely and let it soaked for around 1 day, minimum of 1 day. So after 3 days, this is how my dry fruits look like. Cranberries and apricots have absorbed all the wine and there is no liquid left in the bowl now. And this also serves as the main ingredient of this cake. So apart from wine, you can soak these nuts in rum or scotch, and for non-alcoholic version you can soak them into grape juice. So I'll keep it aside and let's start with the other ingredients. Other ingredients that are required is flour, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, oil, yogurt or curd. Then we need some orange peel, cinnamon powder, baking soda, baking powder, and some vanilla essence. We also require some milk to balance the consistency of the batter. To start with the recipe, I have preheated the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And I'll take a 7-inch pan and add a parchment paper at the bottom and grease the pan with the butter or oil completely and keep it aside. So greasing the pan actually will help taking the cake out of the pan when baked. Now take another bowl and add sugar, curd and oil, and blend the mixtures well so that sugar is melted and mixture is well combined and it's a smooth consistency batter. Now I'm going to add vanilla essence and mix it well again. So now you can see that sugar is almost melted and batter is shiny. You can see all ingredients has been mixed properly well. I guess it is almost done. Now in the same bowl I'll add my dry ingredients. So I'll save together flour, baking powder, baking soda and cinnamon powder. And I'll save them together so that there are no lumps. And this is a very important step while making a cake. We have to save this dry ingredients, otherwise there can be lumps and batter will not be smooth. So this is a very important step while making a cake. Once done, just mix the wet and dry ingredients together. So to mix it properly, I'll add little milk. Milk will help in mixing as well as it will help to attain the consistency that we are looking for. Do add milk in small portions. Don't add whole milk at a time. So approximately I've added 1/4 cup of milk at 2 times to attain the smooth and perfect consistency for the batter. Batter is perfectly mixed now, it's smooth. Now I'm going to add orange zest and the dry fruits that we have already soaked in the wine. So just mix it well. So this is very easy cake. It's just one bowl cake. We don't need different things to be done. It's just one bowl and we'll add all the stuff into this bowl and it's pretty easy cake. You can also add other spices like ginger or spice mix at this stage. Now I'm going to transfer the batter into the greased pan that we kept aside. Just transfer the batter into the pan and tap the pan 2 to 3 times so that all air bubbles are removed. And now bake it at 175 degrees Celsius for around 30 to 35 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is how cake looks. It's perfectly baked. So I've poked in the skewer to show you that it is perfectly baked and evenly baked from all sides. I'll just let it cool for a while and then I'll demold it. Here you go. The cake looks super amazing. You can see the color. I've demolded it and it came out perfect. And I'm just gonna cut it now. The cake is super soft and delicious. Do try the recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more interesting recipes.